Okay, Philip's mom is the best, and so is Papa, because they entertained the boys yesterday. Papa and the boys gamed. Nana scrubbed the siding on our front porch here and made this beautiful and set it all up. So I want to show you what the curb appeal looks like on the house and how nice this front porch looks. We still need to wash the floor, but we're coming in and out, bringing materials and stuff in, so that still needs to get done. But the siding is all shiny, it's all clean. We staged it so cute. Studio lights have some new bulbs, they look amazing. Put our cute little nesting tables and everything right here. And we did move it from the tables in the front where we like to have it so that nothing's blocking the entryway when people come to the open house, because this is their first impression once they come in our cute door. But I want to show you the curb appeal because it looks so cute, and I love the blue that we did on the screen door and the wreath, and the house is so white because Philip and I had painted the fascias this year, so it looks so nice. So I'm excited to show you. Go to the road, Phil. Yesterday was so warm and today it's so cold. I'm so glad we worked outside yesterday and not today. We cleaned up the gardens and tossed all the mulch because it's still too cold for anything to start sprouting. It's freezing. I love the blue on the door. We have a really cute spring wreath on the door now. Sunroom looks so fresh. We added some nice new mats out front here. And then I love what we did outside in front of the mudroom. So I want to show you, we added some curb appeal and just a nice welcoming vibe outside that front entryway there. Follow me. So I added some new curtains inside the mudroom so you can see them from outside, just something airy. A few fake plants out here because we did have some snowflakes this morning. We added a new mat. I brought up the bench from the gym just to be able to stage a few pillows here. And then I'm just painting the back side of the door. We did the front part of the door here with that beautiful blue that we used in the kitchen. So right now I'm just painting the other side from inside. So we have one more exterior door that I want to have cohesive with the other two doors here, and that is the entry to my old studio space. So this is the entryway to my old filming studio that we used when we first started our channel. And so we have a screen door here, but I would like to have this door painted that same blue. And then Philip added some new lights outside the garage. We still had one more to put up, so we got the second one put up yesterday. But it looks amazing, so I'm super excited to get this place listed because I know the photos are going to look great, and the blue looks so welcoming with the white house. And we have a new roof, so the house looks awesome out front. This is my staging pillow pile. I've found all of the accent pillows in the house, and I put them in a pile, and all of the covers and linens for curtains and pillow covers and stuff have all been washed. Our shower curtain, you know, the fabric lining that we're gonna use, that's all washed and folded ready. All the bedding that's gonna go on the beds is all been washed, folded, and ready. It's waiting here in the living room, which we've put this gigantic baby gate across the living room so that the dogs can't go in here. So anything that we don't want touched that's been ready to put out for open house is in here right now, just getting ready. So we actually have our realtor coming next week, probably Wednesday, to do the final walkthrough before the for sale sign will go on the front of our house, which is crazy. I hope you guys have seen the videos that we posted this week. And for those of you who are asking, we had no idea we were gonna sell the house. So I know there's like some people like, no, you're totally planning on moving. We really didn't have any idea up until a week ago that we were going to list the house. So we have quite a few little odds and ends to finish in the house, but I was really excited to share with you. We have amazing news. Something I've been waiting for months. You guys know that I did an all-woman build, studio build in the backyard this year, and I was so proud to do an all-woman build, and I got to collab with my favorite home hardware, and so it was just all around just an amazing project. But one thing has been lingering is that I didn't have my building skills tested per se by having my permit pass for the building. Because of COVID hitting, we had some huge delays and we had to get a bunch of stuff ready to be into that space. But yesterday, the inspector came and she said the building was built top notch. We passed the inspection with flying colors, and that is now a completely closed permit. So I am so excited and incredibly proud of that build. I also wanted to say thank you to you guys for the support on the video because that whole series did so well and we made Home Hardware super proud, and obviously that building is just stunning. So what a great feature to now have also with selling the house, because guess what? I'm building another one. I'm doing another build this summer in Cape Breton on our small acreage that we've already bought. So today we're working on finishing a few things that we worked on yesterday. So yesterday we did all of the exterior. Philip took a couple of loads of items to the dump, like you know, recyclables and stuff that we were getting out of the house from all these renos that we've been doing. He did a huge yard cleanup with the boys. Nana and Papa came and helped out. So we've got siding scrubbed, windows washed, everything's looking amazing. I painted the living room, dining room, finished the second coats on the ceiling in those rooms. Oh my gosh, yesterday we got so much stuff done. And I actually finished building the shiplap in the kitchen where the fridge was. We get so many comments. Are you gonna sell your house without a fridge in the kitchen? Philip and I did finish the shiplap where the bench was, which means we ripped out the banquette that we just built, which by the way, we were loving. So that was kind of sad to pull that out. So shiplap is now there. So today we're gonna get the fridge back up into the kitchen. And what else are we doing today? Oh, we're changing out some light fixtures. We bought some new light fixtures just for the hallways because all the other fixtures in the house have been updated to LEDs except for those hallways. And we're gonna finish a little bit of like additional plumbing stuff today and hallway painting. We miss you guys. We're excited to get back to like our daily videos. So be watching over the next couple of weeks while we get everything ready because we're excited to share with you the process of what we're doing with this. Windows washed, living room all painted. This is all just decor stuff. We picked up a new rug that we can actually put out when our couches get back in here. And then we're just staging the front. Okay, so because we're listing the house, we've been doing some like power cleaning, which normally we do in the spring anyways. So it's kind of the perfect time, but we've taken all of the covers off of all the lighting, especially the chandelier in the kitchen here that's been getting pretty dusty. Kitchen? Oh, in the dining room. I'm not in the kitchen anymore. What room am I in? And now instead of like, what day is it? It's what room am I in? I keep losing track. So we took out all these domes. So we have this really nice like light fixture here and these domes just go on top, but because we've been drywall sanding, everything's been super dusty. So we have been wiping everything off. We painted all the molding, ceilings, painted the wall. We still need one more quick coat on this wall and get our tables and everything back in here. So our couches are on the other side of the house while we did all of this. So we're gonna bring them back over today, get the living room back set up. And we have no other furniture in the dining room here other than the table set that's gonna be in here, my plants, a few small things. So we are like really in good shape to hit our deadline of getting everything ready. Last night, oh, I totally forgot. Oh my goodness. Last night we spent 4.5 hours or so. 4.5 hours. And we tackled the entire garage. And I know you guys saw us minimalize that quite a few weeks back, but then we did quite a few large renovation projects and it was kind of pretty messy in there. Studio build, so nice. I wish it was a little warmer. We could get some stuff in the raised garden beds before listing, but it doesn't really look like that's gonna be a possibility. They're enjoying the nice weather. Look at how dirty you are, Finn. We are really excited to show you guys a complete home tour later this week. So, what? Are you laughing because I have Henry behind me? You moved. Jeez, I gave you horns. Wait, and ears. So fun. So yeah, we're really excited about our move. Things are happening so quickly and we're really happy that you guys are showing us so much support on the other end. I know that there's a few of you who are a little nervous thinking we're being a little impulsive, but I promise you there's a lot of calculations that have gone on the other end and you guys are gonna see that this was all worth all of this work and worth leaving our dream home, we promise. So hold on tight. We are gonna go on an adventure of a lifetime.